The fellowship took me to the villages of Gogunda in South Rajasthan, where I lived and worked with a community that was constantly on the move. I was working on designing financial services, literacy tools, and campaigning for social protection rights of seasonal migrant workers. Now, you see, seasonal migrant workers are perceived to be a highly risky group, someone that you cannot bank with. But my experience in the past 2 years have led me to believe otherwise. With consistently high repayment rates, really innovative savings patterns, and a very high demand for social security products, I think the community has demonstrated their need and readiness for financial services. Also, the invisibility of migrant workers within policy debates was something that struck me very harshly during these 2 years, because that is one of the reasons they were excluded from formal financial institutions. And I think one of the biggest learnings I have from there is that there is a need to recognize this particular demographic and design newer financial services and delivery channels for them. I think I also learned that there is no substitute for long-term engagement and complete immersion in a given community. The love that I received from my host organization, and particularly from the community that I lived with, has made this experience very meaningful. Not to mention inordinate amounts of dal bati whenever I needed it. And and I think the fellowship has given me a greater perspective on things. And I think it has given me a greater sense of humanism. And that is something that I will really value all my life.